So in this video I will show you how to make RGB microphone. I'm using this old microphone. We need this and some RGB LEDs. I'm using 5-volt RGB LEDs. So now let's go. So the first thing, we need to open the microphone. After you've done that, cut 2 strips of LEDs. So I soldered the wire. Now it's time to put LEDs inside. It needs to look like this. Now take your drill and make it a hole for the cable. Before putting the cables, make sure to secure with shrinking tube. So now close it, and it works very perfectly. It looks very nice at night. So now it's time to enjoy the reveal. Bye!